Hello, my name is Margaret Conmey. I'm the mother of 4 grown-up children who have flown the nest, and I found recently that I've had time on my hands. I can use a computer, but just basic skills really, like email and using Google to search topics on the net. I've recently started up a small business working part-time around my other commitments. And in my first month, I earned a profit of €380.09. I had no experience, but there was help there. You're working for yourself, but not by yourself. If you would like to earn some extra income or are interested in the business opportunity and how it can work for you, it's a simple system and the system works. Give me a call or input your details on the site here, and I'll be pleased to get back to you with more information. Thank you for watching the DVD.